So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. You're going to download both of these. So you're going to click on the first one. It's now going to start downloading. We're now going to download the other one as well. And then once you downloaded both of them, we're now going to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. And we should now have them in our downloads folder. And we're now going to download the first one that comes up. For me, it's going to be x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then you're going to tick this box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you're going to click on close. We're now going to install the other one. Double click on it. And then once this comes up, you're going to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And then once that's been done, we're going to close out of this as well. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.